Hello everyone, class 9th champions, class 9th ninjas, my dear lovely kids. Hi everyone, my lovely hello to all my champions. So I know you must have been waiting for me for last few days. So let's join quickly champions, and please let me know first, am I audible to you all? Am I clearly visible? Am I audible to you all? Please let me know first. And this session is going to be powerful because I'm going to complete 2 new chapters of your Ganit Manjari, the chapter number 6, measuring space, perimeter and area, and one more chapter, chapter number 7, that is probability. Okay, so before I start this session, this fabulous session, please join quickly everyone and let me know, am I audible to you all? You all can hear me, you all can see me, I am visible to you all. So this session is going to be very important for you all, class 9th champions. I really apologize due to, few problem due to little occupancy, team could not schedule the live before, and that's why I know you might not be aware of the live because live is just scheduled right away before 2 to 3 minutes. I know, so I really apologize. Sorry, my dear champions. So please join everyone quickly. Class 9th ninjas. Yes, sir, audible and visible. Hi, Farnaj. Hi, how are you, Farnaj? All okay? All good? So I'm going to teach you, champion, chapter number 6, measuring space, perimeter area, and chapter number 7, probability. And as you all know, my method, what I used to do in every chapter, I used to teach from basics, from 0 to hero, from basics to advanced. This is my teaching method. Okay. So please join everyone quickly. So let's begin with chapter number 6. Measuring space and perimeter area. Okay. So moving to the first question here, look at the first question. Find the perimeter, and these questions are from your Ganit Manjari textbook, by the way. Please let me know. Everyone, I hope you all have Ganit Manjari and you must have been solving your Ganit Manjari in your school as well as at your home in self-studies. Okay. So question number 1 is, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. This is very easy question. First time watching your session. Wow, great, Farnaj. Welcome. If you are, first time on this channel, I hope you must have subscribed the channel for the future notification. And if you are in class 9th or in 10th, this channel is best for you. Trust me. Okay. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button first. Okay. So first question is, find the perimeter. Do you know perimeter means what? Perimeter means total boundary length. Anything, whether it is a rectangle, a square, a circle, whatever. The total boundary length, outer boundary length is called perimeter. So if we talk about a rectangle, this is a rectangle we have, and this is length and this is breadth. And if this is length, it has to be length. If this is breadth, it has to be breadth. And what will be the perimeter? I have already told you, champion. The perimeter means boundary length. So perimeter of a rectangle will be boundary length, sum of all these boundaries. So L plus B plus L plus B. So both are coming 2 times. L is 2, B is 2. So we can take 2 common. So the formula will look like 2 into L plus B. This is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Now in this question, length is given to you 12 centimeter and breadth is given to you 8 centimeter. Now you can put the values here. So 2 into length we have 12 plus 8. So 2 into 20, and this will be 40 centimeter. The perimeter always comes in centimeter or meter, but area goes in square, centimeter square, meter square. If we are calculating area will go in square form, centimeter square. If the dimensions are in meter, meter square will be there. But for perimeter, only centimeter or only meter will be there. This is the difference. Clear? Yes, Farnaj, very good. Moving ahead. The perimeter of a square field is 64 meter. Okay. Read the question from here till here. Read the first line. So according to the first line, the perimeter of a square is already given to you. Here in this question, perimeter of square, which is already given to you. You read the first line carefully. So this is 64 meter, right? Find the length of each of the side. We all know the property of square. In a square, all the sides are equal to each other. This is the property of square. All the sides are equal to each other. So what will be the perimeter? Perimeter will be L plus L plus L plus L. So this is called 4 into L, 4 into side. Now in this question, perimeter is already given to you. Now we can put here 64 and equal to 4 into L. So what will be L here? L will be 4 is in multiply. When 4 will come this side, so it will look like 64 divided by 4 and we have 16. So L is equal to 16 centimeter. So the side of square is equal to 16 centimeter. Clear everyone? Sir, this is new NCERT. Yes, Farnaz, this is new NCERT. So in this question, perimeter was already given to you and the question is asking find the length of the square. So we have perimeter formula. Perimeter is equal to 4 into length, means 4 into side. You guys can memorize this formula in this form. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. This is the perimeter of a square. Yes. This is the perimeter of square, 4 into side. And now in this question, perimeter was already given to you. Okay, moving ahead, third question. Look at the third question. Find the area of a rectangular garden. Okay. So there is a rectangular garden. This is the rectangular garden whose length is 25 centimeter. Okay. Length is 25 meter and breadth is 15 meter. And we have to find out area. So my dear champion, area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. This is the formula. Length into breadth. And length is given to you directly. Length we have is 25 and breadth we have is 15. Now could you please multiply 25 into 15? So if you multiply 25 into 15, 25 into 5 will be 125. And 25 1 25. So we have 5, 7 and this is 3. So we have 375. And my dear champion, we all are calculating square. So in a square, the answer will always go in square. If the dimension is in meter, so answer will go in meter square. If the dimensions are in centimeter, answer will go centimeter square. So this is the formula. Yes, clear everyone? Hi Farnaj, you guys are talking with each other. Wow. Mafia is also in their chat. Oh my god, I'm a little scared. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. Area of rectangle, the formula we have is length into breadth. This formula, champion, please don't forget the formula. Formula is very important. Moving ahead, look at the next question. Okay, a wire of length 44 centimeter. Please read the question carefully. Don't be so curious to get the answer directly. No, first read the question. Have patience, stay calm, understand the language, understand the story given there. Then try to recall the formula, which formula we should use there. Okay. So a wire of length, so we have a wire. Let's say this is a wire and the length of wire is 44 centimeter. Say centimeter, 44, this is centimeter, okay. 44 centimeter, this is the total length of the wire, 44 centimeter, okay. Is turning to form a square. Okay. So we are making a square from this wire. Same wire is there and we have converted this wire in the shape of square. And we all know the side of square is equal to each other. All the sides are equal to each other. L. And do you know this straight wire has bent in the form of square. So the total length of the wire will be equal to the total length of the boundary. Because the same wire was, changed. Same wire was reshaped in the form of square. So the length of that wire and the length of boundary of this square will be equal to each other. So we can write here L plus L plus L plus L and that is equal to 4L. 4 into L will be equal to 44. Right? So L will be equal to 44 divided by 4 and which is equal to 11. So L is equal to 11. So the new square that we have formed here, the side of a square will be 11 centimeter because 44 centimeter length wire is converted in the form of square. So all the sides should be equal to each other. So we have to divide 44 into 4 equal parts and that's why the side will be 11 centimeter. I hope. Yeah, sure. Clear everyone? So the side of the square will be 11 centimeter. Moving ahead. Next question. Find the cost of fencing of a rectangular park of length 250 meter and breadth 175 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. Per meter. Can you see this? Per meter. Meter square is not there. Per meter is there. It means that we are talking about length. And what is called fencing? Fencing means the covering the boundary. For example, I'm having a plot, a piece of land, and I'm covering the boundary of piece of land by iron, whatever, wooden piece of blocks or whatever, brick wall. So that is called fencing, covering up the any piece of land from outside, from the outside. That is called fencing, right? So my dear question is, find the cost of fencing a rectangular park. So let's say we have a park here. This is park, rectangular park, and the length of the park is 250 meter. Perfect. This is 250 meter, right? So if this is 250 meter, it has to be 250 meter, and the breadth is 175 meter, right? So you have length and you have breadth, right? Now, what is the cost of fencing? So let's say you are making the boundary using the iron wire or using the brick wall, whatever. You are making the boundary, and this is called fencing. Making the boundary is called fencing. Right. So the cost of fencing is 12 rupees per meter. So let's find out the total length of the boundary first. Let's find out the total length of the boundary. So total length to be fenced. To be fenced. Let's find out the total length of the boundary that need to be fenced, that are fencing. So what will be the total length? 250 plus 250, 175 plus 175. So if this is a rectangle, so we can write 2 into L plus B. This is the formula for perimeter. So we have 2 into L is equal to 250 and breadth is equal to 175. Now calculate. So this will be equal to 5. 7, 5, 12, carry 1, 2 and 1, 3 is carry 4. So we have 4 to ja. So this will be 5 to ja 10, 0, 2 to ja 4, 5 and 4 to ja 8. Total length of the boundary is 850 meter. And what is the cost? The costing for fencing is 12 rupees of 1 meter. And what is the total length? That to be fenced, that is need to be fenced, 850 meter. So what will be the total costing? So total cost. So total cost of fencing will be what? 12 into 850 rupees. 12 into 850. Please multiply this. So 85 into 12. We can put 1 0 at the end. So 5 to the 10 0, 8 to the 17 16, 17, 5 1 ja 5, 8 1 ja 8, 0, 7 5 12 carry 1, 8 and 9 10. Wow. So this is 1 0 2 0 and one more 0. Because we have ignored here 0, but 0 is there. So this is the total cost. 10,200 rupees is the total cost for fencing this rectangular park. Hi sir, hi Adi Lakshmi Gopal. Adi Lakshmi is back. Hi Captain Aditya. Okay, very good. Welcome. So I hope this question is clear to you. Basically in this question, there was a rectangular park of dimension, length 250 meter, breadth 175 meter, and this rectangular park is basically fencing. Fencing means making the boundary outside the park, making the boundary. And this is the cost for fencing, 12 rupees per meter. So what will be the total cost? So let's find out the total length of the boundary and multiply by 12. And that is the total costing, 10,200 rupees. Okay, moving to chapter number 7. Hello sir, make for algebraic identities. So Adi Lakshmi, for your kind information, one or two videos have already been uploaded on the channel of the chapter you are talking about, that is algebraic identities. I have already uploaded. Go and watch those videos. Everything will be cleared because I have explained everything from basics, from 0 to advanced. So nothing is challenging there. Go and watch. Yeah. Sir, unfortunately, our school is still following the old NCERT textbook. How is it making sense? You will be getting questions in your exam from your new textbook. So why they are following old textbook still? I don't think it is making any sense for the student. Okay, because the CBSE has changed the pattern. You will be getting competency questions in your class 9th exam, final exam, and class 10th. Value-based questions, application-based questions, right? So following, I mean, old NCERT textbook is not making any sense for me being a teacher. Okay. Okay, so let's talk. This is all about the perimeter, this chapter, my dear. So this is very easy, trust me. The chapter measuring space is very easy. The questions are directly based on formula, and most of the questions rectangle and square is there. Some question circle is also there. So let me introduce you about circle. So listen, champion, this is a circle here, and this will be the center, and this is called radius, right? Now in circle, if I ask you what is the perimeter of the circle, formula for perimeter. So my dear champion, there is very special formula. Perimeter means, you know perimeter? Perimeter means the total length of the boundary, whether it is square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus or whatever. The perimeter of a circle means total length of the boundary, right everyone? So the formula for perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. This is the formula we generally use, and we have value pi is equal to 22/7. Whenever you required, as per your requirement, you can put pi is equal to 22/7, or you can also put 3.14. These are the values, two values. It depends which values will be relevant for you as per the situation, as per the question. Sometime you may put fraction, sometime you may put decimal form. Okay. Now if I ask you area of circle, so if I ask you area of circle, so there is a formula, very powerful formula, pi r square. So these two formulas are very important. These two formulas are very important. Perimeter of circle is 2 pi r and area of the circle is pi r square. Please keep these two formulas in mind. Hi. Yes, is it clear to everyone? Okay, clear everyone? So this is all about circle. So now one more thing. If we complete this line, the line which is passing through center of the circle is called diameter. And the magical thing about the diameter is equal to, this is complete diameter. And can you see diameter is equal to r plus r. So diameter is the double of radius. Or we can also say radius is equal to half of diameter. Clear everyone? So these two formulas are very important. Who is this? Hi. Ghulam Mustafa. Yeah, hi. Moving ahead. Chapter number 7. So, champions, chapter number 7 is basically the mathematics of maybe. You know, when we use maybe, when we are predicting something, when we are talking about, yeah, it may be, it may be, it may be, when we are talking about some possibilities, some chances, chance to happen something, right? So, we generally use maybe. If anyone, any friend of you is asking, so will you be coming tomorrow to play cricket in ground? So you will be saying maybe. So there is less chances, there is some chances. So maybe. So basically in this chapter we are going to talk about possibility, or we can say chance to occur something, or we can also say this is combining these two words. Very systematic word is produced, the new word combining these two, and this is called probability in mathematical term. This is called probability. And what is the essence of probability? Again, same thing, possibility or chances. So we are going to talk about here in this chapter, what is the probability to happen something? What is the probability to something occur? So this is all about, yeah. Hello everyone. Yes. Clear everyone? So we are going to talk about these things. So the mathematics of maybe, introduction you to probability. And dear class 9th champions, listen, this topic will be carrying forward in class 10th also. You guys will be studying this chapter, this particular chapter in class 10th also. So try to understand the basics of this chapter. I'm going to teach you here so that it will be helping you out in class 10th also. Okay, so please focus everyone. Okay, so look at the first question. First question. Rank the following events on a scale from 0 to 1 certain and label each as impossible, less likely, even chance, more likely or certain. Give a reason for each ranking. Wow, what a question. Hi sir, in my school they just started it today. Very good. So this session is very important for you. If you know little bit about this chapter, So this session is going to be very important for you because I'm not going to teach anything theoretical. I'm going to solve question directly. So please watch the video. Okay. So champions, please look out the question here. So 4 conditions are given here and we have to find out the possibility, probability, and we have to rank which is having more chance to occur, which is having less chance to occur. This is the question here. So look at the first question. The sun will rise in east tomorrow. The sun will rise in east tomorrow. Everyone knows. Sunrise in east, sunset in west. Everyone knows this. So this is 100% confirmed. My dear champion, if I ask you in which direction sun rises every day, so the answer is east. And in which direction sun sets every day, so sun always sunset in the direction of west. Sunrise happens in east and sunset in west, right? So the first information is the sun will rise in the east tomorrow. Everyone knows this. This is 100% correct. This is 100% correct. This is 100% correct. So the answer will be 1. 1 for certain. Certain, it is confirmed that it will happen. So for that we generally use 100%, and 100% means 100 by 100, which is equal to 1. Right? Everyone knows sun, no human being, no one can control the movement of sun except nature, except God. So everyone knows that in the next morning the sun will be rising from east. So this is 100% confirmed. So we are putting there 1. Okay. It will snow in Mumbai in July. It will snow in Mumbai in July. No one knows. It is not confirmed. If I ask you, what will be the probability of this? Namaste, Sir Ji. Who is this? Max Gaming. Wow. Hi, namaste, namaste. How are you, champion? Yes, what will be the answer of this? Yeah, tell me. Hi, namaste. Who is this? Hi, Ghulam Mustafa. Hi, everyone. Please tell me what will be the scale of probability of this second question. Very interesting question. Very literally, this is very interesting. Second one. Tell me, who is this? Okay. Tell me, everyone, what do you think? If I ask you, what do you think? Who is this? How are you, sir? Shobha Rani. Hi, Sai Varsha. Hi, sir. Hi, Sai. How are you? Hi, everyone. Sai Varsha. Hello to you. Now do this question, everyone, please. You have to rate the possibility from 0 to 1, basically. Yes, tell me. I'm waiting for the response in chat section. Everyone. This is literally interesting question, trust me. No one is there? Yes. Yeah, this is not possible, bro. The second statement is it will snow in Mumbai in July. In July, is it possible? Not at all. In July there is monsoon. There is, scorching sun is there. So irritating sun, so much of heat. So this is not possible, not at all. So the probability is 0. Who answered 0? Let me check it once. Anyone is there? Namaste, sir. 120. Sai Varsha is there, sir. 2031 3140. Okay. Okay, let's wait for others' response. Only Sai has responded here. Now the second is a tossed coin. A tossed coin will land showing head. Now tell me, what do you think? If I am tossing a single coin, what will happen? There is 2 possibility. There is 2 possibility. It may be head, it may be tail. So no one knows this, no? If you are tossing a coin, yes, anyone is there? Third, how one will come? Listen, champion, listen. A tossed coin will land showing head. No one knows, no? There is 2 situations. If you are tossing a coin, there are 2 chances. it can be head, it can be tail. So there are two chances. So if we take the possibility, if we calculate the possibility, probability, so the total number of possibilities are 2 and we are looking for head only. So the probability will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Because when you are tossing a single coin, it can be head, it can be tail. So there are two chances. Anyone is there? Cap Aditya is writing. So third one, I know Sai Varsha what you are writing there. Now, fourth question. An elephant will walk through your classroom today. An elephant will walk through your classroom today. You know? Is it confirmed? No one knows, no? Who is this? Sai. Again, same. So the question is, an elephant, yeah, I'm waiting. I'm so curious to know the answer of this fourth one from you guys. I want to check your mental ability. So what will be the probability? Is it confirmed? Is this confirmed that today an elephant will be passing through your classroom? No one knows this. Yeah, tell me what will be the answer of this. I'm waiting for others' response. Only Sai has responded here. Who is this? Yes. Please tell me. An elephant will walk through your classroom today. Is it possible? Yes, everyone, please tell me. Who is this? Yes, what will be the answer of this question? No one? This is literally very interesting question, guys. You should answer this question. See, my dear champion, who knows? No one knows, no? 0. Yes, fine. Perfect. Captain Aditya. Very good. 0. An elephant will walk through your classroom. How is it possible? The classroom is fully packed. Security guard is there. Entry gate is far away from the classroom. The school is having full, high-rise boundaries. So how is it possible that elephant will be passing through classroom? So this is 0. So the answer is 1, 0, 0.5 and 0. This is the answer. Moving ahead. Next question. Question number 2. Impossible. Yes. Is it impossible? So basically, guys, we are using 0 for impossible. This is impossible. Right? This is impossible. Now, if I talk about it will snow in Mumbai in July, it is also impossible. Yeah, there is little. No one knows if there is a mood of God like this. God wants to have snowfall. But yeah, it looks, according to weather forecasting, according to the, previous stats, weather states of Mumbai, this is not possible. And this is here, even chance, less likely, even chance. This is called even chance. Even chance, because 50% chance is there. Even chance. This is again not possible, and this is certain. 100%. The sun will rise from east. This is confirmed. Everyone knows this. Moving ahead. When a single 6-sided die is rolled once, you know die? You have played Ludo, everyone? You might be playing Ludo with your family member. So basically there is a die. If you know die look like this. This is a die. That cubical plastic structure, when you, like, after shaking inside a box and you throw like this on Ludo board, and there will be numbers are marked on this. 1 here, 6, for example. I don't know exactly the position of all the numbers, but yeah, I'm putting here 1, and here this wall also, so this will be 3, and that will be 2 there on front wall. So these are the numbers. So this is called, die. So when a single 6-sided die rolled once, write the simple space and state the total number of possible outcomes. Why is each outcome equally likely? Listen, champion. So what is called simple space? First, understand the simple space. So basically, what is simple space? Listen, champion. First, understand the simple space. Simple space are all the possible outcomes, may occur called simple space of any experiment. In any experiment, all the possible outcomes that may occur called simple space. For example, if we talk about this die, so basically simple space is written in this bracket, the middle bracket, right? So if we throw a die on a Ludo board, how many possibilities are there? How many possibilities? It can show one. Basically, we consider the number which is the number which is reflecting on the top surface. I know there are so many numbers on side wall, in the bottom, but we generally consider the number which is reflecting on top surface, right? So the number can be whatever, 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6. So these are the possible outcomes when we throw a single die. Now the question is, state total number. This is, why is each outcome equally likely? So my dear champion, if I ask you probability of 1, what will be the probability of 1? So how many 1 is there? Only 1. And how many total outcomes are there? So this is 1 by 6. If I ask you what will be the probability that 2 will occur? 2 will occur. So 2 is how many times? Only 1 time. So 1. And how many total outcomes? 6. So this is 1 by 6. If I ask you 3, so how many 3s are there? Only 1. And total number of outcomes? 6. So again 1 by 6. So the probability occurring all the numbers, the probability of occurring 1, the probability of occurring 2, the probability of occurring 3, all are 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. It means that the possibility of all the numbers are equal. So why each outcome equally likely? Because the number of 1 is 1, the number of 2 is 1, the number of 3 is 1, the number of 4 is 1. Every number is reflecting 1 time. So the possibility will remain same. Moving ahead. Question number 3. Look at the question number 3. Write down the simple space S for each of the following experiments. So we are having here 3 experiments and we have to write the simple spaces for all the experiments. So the first experiment is rolling a die and tossing a coin all together. Oh my God, what a question. Listen. So we have to write the total possible outcomes when, for example, me and my friend, I am rolling a die and my friend is tossing the coin. I am rolling a die here on Ludo board and my friend is tossing a coin. Means single coin, and both activities are going simultaneously all together. So how many possibilities are there? Listen, champion. When I am throwing a die and my friend is tossing the coin, so what kind of possibilities are there? My die can show any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this coin can show anything, head or tail. So what will be the pair? The die can show 1 and it can show head. The die can show 2, it can show head. The die can show 3, it can show head. The die can show 6 and it can show tail. So how many possibilities are there? So let's write it. So the first question is rolling a die. So my dear champion, listen champion, first of all, if we talk about separate simple space for die, I'm writing here die. So simple space of die will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now if I ask you simple space of coin, so what will be simple space of coin? The simple space will look like head or tail. So there are 2 separate simple spaces, but here these 2 activities are going all together. These 2 activities, I am throwing a die and simultaneously my friend is throwing a coin. Both activities are going all together and we have to look on both the results and we have to match what exactly is reflecting there. So when this rolling die and tossing coin both are going on together, so what are the total possibilities of simple space? So look champion, 1 head, similarly 2 head, 3 head, 4 head, 5 head and 6 head. Similarly, now put 2 head, 3 head. So 3 head is already there. So only this will be there. Now for tail. For tail. So 1 tail, 2 tail, 3 tail, 4 tail, 5 tail and 6 tail. So these are the possibilities when both the activities are going on all together. Someone is throwing a die and someone is throwing a coin, and both activities, both experiments are going together. Coin 1/2, die 1/6. Have patience, champion. So we have to write only simple space. We don't need to find anything. We have to write the simple space. So these are the simple spaces. Now question number 2. Choosing a random integer between -5 and +5. So what will be the simple space for this? For this second, first is then choosing a random integer between -5 and 5. So my dear champion, so if we talk about numbers between -5 and 5, so the numbers will look like -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. So these are the numbers. These are the numbers between -5 and +5. So the simple space will look like -5, -3, -3, -2, -1, 0. Now positive value 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I hope this is clear to you all. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear everyone? But the question is choosing a random integer between these two. So in that case, we have to exclude this one. So these will be considered -4 to 4 only, because we are talking about integer between -5 and 5. So if we talk about between -5 and 5, so these numbers will be considered from -4 to 4 only. Okay, moving to question number 3. I hope everything is clear to you all. Hi, fact. Okay, look at the third number question. Drawing one ball at random from a box containing green and red ball. Drawing one ball at random. So basically, champion, listen. Here we have a box and the box containing green and red balls. How many balls are there? 2 balls are there. So what will be the simple space? Green ball and the other one is red ball. Right, so this will be the simple space, green ball and red ball. I hope this is clear. So what is simple space? Simple space are called all the possible outcomes when an experiment is carried out. When the experiment is done, all the possible outcomes are called simple space. So this is the simple space of first question, this is the simple space of second question, and this is the simple space of third question. Moving ahead, look at the question number 4. A box contain, okay, so there is a box contain 5 green ball, okay, green, okay, 5 green balls. So let me use green ball itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green balls and 7 red balls. Okay, 7 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many red balls? 7 red balls. 5 green balls, 5 green balls, and 7 red balls. One ball is random. One ball is drawn at random. Find the probability that the ball drawn is this. First, let me tell you the formula for probability. How to find probability? So there is a formula in probability, and the formula look like, listen champion, probability of any event is equal to total number of favorable outcomes, total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Difference, total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So basically this is the formula we use to find out the probability of an event. What is favorable? Favorable is what we are talking about. Green, red, either green or red, these are the favorable. Who is this? Myself, Suhana, aesthetic with Suhana. Hi Suhana, welcome to Diksha Vedantu platform. So The probability of any event, we have this formula, total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Now, what is favorable? These are the favorable. So there is a box, and this box contains 5 green balls and 7 red balls. Now, when we are picking up a ball randomly, I mean without looking at the ball, without looking at the box, we are picking at the ball randomly. We are picking up a ball randomly. So this is called random, picking up. So what will be the probability of green ball? So here the event is, I'm solving first question. The event is to get a green. This is the event, to get a green ball. This is your event, champion. Just a second, everyone. Okay, so to get a green ball, this is your event. So what will be the probability? Probability of this event. Green is your favorable, and how many green balls are there? 5 green balls. And this is total number of outcomes. So how many total number of balls are there in this entire box? So total number of balls 7 plus 5, and that is equal to 12. So this is the answer, 5 by 12. Second question. Similarly, red ball. So what will be the probability of red ball? P red. I'm writing here P red ball. So now red is your favorable. How many red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can put here 7 divided by 12. This is the answer. Third question. Either green or red. So when we are picking the ball randomly, it can be green or it can be red. This is our favorable condition. If the ball is red or green, either red or green, so both is favorable here, both are favorable. So P, and we can mention here either green or red, either green or red. So both will be combined. So 7 plus 5 is 12, and 12 plus 12, that is equal to 1, and 1 means 100%. If this is your favorable condition, when you have picked a ball, the ball can be green or red. So everyone knows now, because there is only 2 color of balls. So when you are picking a ball, so ball may be red or may be green. This is confirmed, and that we are talking about. So that will be 100%. Fourth is probability of getting blue ball. Oh my God, no blue ball is there. Only we have red and green color balls. There is no any blue color ball. So why we are, bringing this blue in conversation? The blue is not even exist. There is no any blue color ball. So the number of favorable outcome is 0. There is no blue color ball. No blue color balls. And if no blue color balls is there, it means 0 by 12. And 0 by 12 is equal to 0. No chance. This is called no chance. And we can say impossible. This is impossible. If the box contain only green and red color of balls, how is it possible to pick a blue color? Are we a magician? We are not a magician. So if the box contain only green color and red color ball, so there is no any possibility to get a blue color from the box. Moving ahead. Question number 5. Okay. A coin is tossed 100 times and heads appears 58 times. Okay. Find the experimental probability of getting a head. Okay. How does it compare with the theoretical probability, and why are two values different? This is a good question. So in this question, you guys will understand the difference between probability, experimental probability, and theoretical probability. So this is a good question, because this question will help you out to understand the difference between both. Okay. So basically, let's talk about experimental probability first. So my dear champion, listen, experimental probability is what? This is experimental probability, the experiment that is going on. And the experimental going on is a coin is tossed 100 times. And how many heads appears? 58 heads appears. In 100 toss, 58 times heads appears. So this was the experiment. So if we calculate the probability of this condition, so this is called experimental probability, because the first line is experiment, is an experiment. So how many times head is appeared? So what is the experimental probability of getting a head? So this will become 58 Number of favorable, we are talking about head. And how many times head appears? 58 times. So number of favorable divided by total number of terms. So 58 divided by 100. Now can we please cancel this? So 2 to 4, 229, and this is 50. So we have 29 divided by 50. This is your answer, experimental probability, because this probability is of this particular experiment. Now moving to theoretical probability. So what is called theoretical probability? Listen, champion. So basically, theoretical probability is something when we use that particular thing in our day-to-day life. For example, we are talking about a coin. So we generally use coin in games, in sports. Which team will start batting, which team start will bowling. So there is a procedure which carried out in beginning of the match, and that is called toss. So generally we toss. This is theoretical use of the coin. So when we consider one coin, when we talk about single coin, one single coin, so that is called basically theoretical probability. So how does it compare with the theoretical? So we are talking about head. So when we toss a coin, for example, a coin, so what will be the probability of occurring head? So that is equal to 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 means what? That is equal to 50%. So this is called experimental probability, and this is called theoretical probability. And why are two values are different? Because here the total terms is 2, and here same procedure is going on so many times, 100 times, and this is for single coin. Clear, everyone? So this is experimental probability, 29 by 50, and this is basically theoretical probability. Moving ahead, question number 6. Two coins are tossed together. Write the simple space and find the probability of. Okay, so basically we are tossing two coins. Listen, I have one coin and my friend has one coin, and both myself and my friend both are tossing a coin together. So just imagine when we are tossing two coins all together, so how many possibilities are there? My coin might show head, and his coin head, head, tail head, head, tail, tail head. So there are few possibilities. So basically the number of simple spaces, the number of outcomes for coin carries this formula, 2 to power n. This formula plays very important role. So my dear, for single coin, if we toss single coin, so basically n will become 1. So 2 to power 1 is equal to 2. How many possibilities will be there? 2 possibilities, head and tail. But when we toss two coins all together, n will become 2. And if we put here 2 to power 2 and 2 to power is equal to 4. So how many possibilities are there? 4 possibilities are there. How? Let me show you. So when we are tossing coins together simultaneously, so first coin may show head and second coin also may show head. So head, tail, tail head, and tail tail. So these are the possibilities. When we throw three coins all together, when we toss three coins together, so there will be probability 2 to power 3, and 2 to power 3 is 8, and there is very special technique that I usually use to write the total possible outcomes when three coins are tossed simultaneously. So first write this line at one gap, head tail, head tail, head tail, and head tail. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now write the values at the gapping of 2, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Now write all the values at the gapping of 4, head, tail, 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 tail. So these are the simple spaces when three coins are tossed simultaneously. But here in this question, we are talking about this. Look, two coins are tossed together. So we are talking about this. So write the simple spaces. So simple spaces done. For this question, this is the answer. Okay. Now find the probability of this first. Okay. So I'm solving the question here this side. Because it was very important for you to know how to write the simple spaces when one coin is tossed, when two coins is tossed, when three coins are tossed. Okay. So first question, look. So we are talking about this. So we are going to focus only on this. And the first question is, what will be the probability? What is the probability of getting exactly one head in all these four? Exactly one head. So exactly one head is here, in this outcome, and exactly one head is here, this outcome. We will not consider this because the question is exactly one head. So exactly one head, P probability of exactly one head we have is equal to what? And that is equal to 2 divided by total outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 by 4, and which is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. Second question, two heads, only one possibilities are there only. So the number of outcome, probability of two heads. So what will be the probability of two heads? This is equal to 1, and favorable outcome is 1, and total number of outcome is 4, so 1 by 4. Third question, at least one head. So at least one head here also, and here also. This will also consider because we are talking about at least one head. So at least one head here, here, and here. So 3 probability of at least 3 will also count. 3 heads will be also count, and 2 heads will be also count because we are talking about at least one head. So at least one head is here, and this will be also counted. Okay, so at least 2 head, and the formula will look like the value 1, 2, 3. The total favorable outcome is 3, and total number outcome 4. Fourth question, no heads. We don't require any head. No head. So no head. This is only possibility. Both should be telltale. If we require no head, so both should be telltale. So the probability of no head means both coins should show tail only. So telltale is 1, and total number of outcome 4. This is the answer. So this is the solution of this particular question. Clear, everyone? Moving ahead, question number 7. A single die is rolled once. Okay. So first of all, when we roll a die, so total number of possible outcomes, this is the sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These numbers are generally marked on a die. So 6 possibilities are there. Find the probability of getting a number greater than 4. So first question, the probability will be a number greater than 4. So how many numbers are greater than 4? This and this. So this will be 2. Favorable outcome, this is the favorable condition, so favorable outcome 2, and total number of outcome 6. So this will cancel, so the answer is 1 by 3. Second question. Second is an even number. How many even numbers are there? 2 is even number, 4 is even number, and 6 is also even number. So 3 total favorable outcomes. These are the even numbers, 2 and 4 and 6. So favorable outcome is 3, and total number of outcome in this simple space. So it will cancel. So the answer is 1 by 2. Third question is a prime number. Do you know prime number? 1 is neither prime nor composite. So please exclude 1. So first prime number is 2. Second prime number is 3. First prime number 2, second prime number 3, and fourth prime number will be 5. So how many prime numbers are there? Again 3. 3 divided by 6. So it will cancel. So the answer is 1 by 2. Fourth question, a number less than 7. All the numbers are less than 7. You can focus there. When we are throwing a die on a Ludo board, the numbers appearing, all the numbers are less than 7. Because on Ludo, the numbers marked is from 1 to 6. All the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. These are the numbers marked on the Ludo die. So if we talk about a number less than 7, so all the numbers are less than 7. All the numbers are less than 7. So the formula will look like, the probability will be all the numbers are favorable, because we are talking about number less than 7. So if we are talking about number less than 7, all the numbers will be considered, right? If all the numbers will be considered, so my dear champion, we can write 6 divided by 6, and which is equal to 1, and this is the 100%. If we throw a die, sir, is it? Who is this? Thank you, by the way, Ankush. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope this question is clear to you all. So writing the sample space is very important. How many possible outcomes are there? How many possibilities are there? Moving ahead, question number 8. A number is chosen at random from a number 1 to 20. What is the probability that the chosen number is this? Okay, so there are numbers from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We have these numbers. The question is, what is the probability when the chosen number is, we are selecting a number, we are choosing a number randomly. So what will be the probability that the chosen number is a prime number? So first question, what will be the probability of getting a prime number? So how many prime numbers are there, champion? Do you know prime number? The number which can be divisible by 1 and itself. Yes, clear, very good, Ajay. So do you know prime number? The numbers which are having factor only 1 and itself. For example, 17, 11, 5, 19, 23, all the numbers are prime number because they can be divided by only 1 in itself. If I ask you 19, 19 can be divided by 1 or 19 can be divided by 19. So only two possibilities are there. That's why 19 is called prime number. So now please find out how many prime numbers are there in this group of, in bunch of this number. One is neither prime nor composite. So please, who is this? Hi, Man. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. So please ignore. So the total prime number will be 2 is the prime number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total prime numbers are 8. Divided by how many total numbers? From 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you write the counting, that is obviously 20. So now we can cancel 2, 4 ja 8, 5, 4 ja 20. So the answer will be 2 by 5. Second question. Second question. A multiple of 5. What will be the probability of getting a number multiple of 5? You know multiple of 5? Multiple of 5 means what? The table of 5. Multiple of 5 means table of 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 divided by 20. 4 will cancel by 5 times. So this is equal to 1 by 5 is the answer. Third is a perfect square. You know perfect square whose root is possible. Yeah, sure. Without any delay. Come on. Thank you, Ankush. Okay. So, this is the bunch of number. And if you are picking a number randomly, so what is the probability of getting a perfect square? Do you know perfect square? These are the perfect square. 4 is called perfect square. 9 is perfect square. 16 is perfect square. Because their root is possible. If you write root 4 is equal to 2. If you write root 9 is equal to 3. If you write root 16 is equal to 4. So such numbers are called perfect square. So what will be the probability of getting perfect square from these bunch of numbers? So the probability of getting a perfect square. So how many numbers? I think 3 numbers, 4, 9 and 20. 4, 9 and 16, right? So 3 numbers we have. The numbers perfect square, we have 3 numbers. So we can write here 3 divided by how many numbers total? 20. So this answer will be 20, 3 by 20. Yes. Hi everyone. Hello everyone. Is it clear to all champions? Is this question clear to all? Any doubt to anyone? Please ask. I hope everything is clear. So the student who knows the property of prime number, perfect square number, multiple, for those students this question is nothing, literally nothing. Okay, clear everyone? Moving ahead. Question number 10. A die is rolled 60 times and the number, a die is rolled 60 times and the number 6 appears 8 times. Find the experimental probability of getting a 6. Very easy question. I have already solved such question here. This experimental probability and the difference between experimental probability and theoretical probability. Now I'm giving you this question for you to solve. This is homework for you everyone. Homework. Solve this question and please let me know the answer of both. Okay. Now my dear champion, a very big announcement. I mean, I'm feeling literally proud from within, and I'm very happy to announce in front of you guys that this, on the basis of the standing legacy of Vedantu, again we have proved this year in the year 2026. If we talk about JEE result, NEET result, JEE advanced result, JEE mains result, KSET result, again Vedantu has proved why Vedantu is unique in all. Yes, so outstanding result in NEET UG. So we have produced all India rank 779 triple digit rank champion in general category, and it's a big achievement for Vedantu whole entire family. All India rank 563, All India rank 526. So this is Shri Charan, Ayush and Avinash scored secure All India rank 426. And this is Sharthak, Vishrut, Hemant is there, and Murugeshwaran is there. So moving ahead, from NEET aspirant to future doctor. So congratulations to everyone, and look at this result. And this student is secured. The name is Sarthak Patil and the rank is All India rank 10 champion. Getting All India rank 10 in a re-NEET exam. If you go and ask the senior the level of question paper that all the NEET aspirants got this year was literally so lengthy and tough. But still, the Vedantu students again shined with colorful rank, and that is general category 10 rank from 2-year classroom program, and many more. The result is ultimately speaks. So look at the result. The number is still counting. JEE Advanced, All India rank 178. So many ranks are there. 27 ranks we have produced this year. 27 rank in top 1000 champion, top 1000 All India rank. So this is the big achievement again this year. Now, solid preparation, this is the principle on which all the faculty members are working, and we believe in delivering quality sessions, quality content for you champions. So to JEE Mains 2026, 2200 plus students got qualified for JEE Advanced this year, and look at the result. The result itself speaks. Okay, so outstanding. So congratulations to everyone, my dear champions. So if you are looking forward to prepare for JEE, if you are having dream to achieve government seat in NEET or JEE, my dear champion, so very soon we are launching on this channel Titans batch. The batch name is going to be Titans batch. On every Sunday there will be sessions of maths. So from 9th and 10th onwards, we'll be teaching you basic maths, and that will be helping you out to build up strong foundation. That will be, so that you guys could ensure yourself for the strong preparation to crack JEE or NEET after 2 to 3 years in your future. So from 9th, this is the right place. This is the right time to start your preparation, champion. Some student plans for JEE and NEET after completion of their class 12th and PUC. This is the right time, honestly. Okay, so our student golden victory in Olympiad. So this is the Olympiad. So we are not in, we are also ahead in Olympiad as well, not only in JEE NEET. So International Physics Olympiad that was held here this year. So Ridesh Bendle from Vedantu, and look at the result. All India rank. He also, in APHO 2025, he is won silver medal, in IPHO 2025 gold medal, and again gold medal, and he secured All India rank 18 in JEE Advanced 2026. Again, these are the toppers this year. One more thing, my dear champion, big announcement about AIO. So one very powerful platform we are launching on Vedantu, AIO, and the AIO means all in one champion. So my dear champion, if you are having any query, any problem in any particular chapter, if you want to get NCERT solution of any particular chapter, if you are having any doubt in any topic, my dear, you can raise your doubt. So in all in one platform, my dear, you will be getting complete academic solution. So go and enroll today. That is free, my dear, and you can go and browse on Google. You can directly write all in one CBSE class 9th, class 10th, and you will be directly directed to interface of Vedantu. So this is very big initiative, I would say, and very powerful initiative for all the student who is in class 9th and student who is board student preparing for their board exam class 10 CBSE 2027. This is very important. So without any delay, go and enroll yourself in all in one money platform, champion. Thank you so much for having me in this live session. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and take care of your parents also. See you soon in the next live session.